Monday, March 3rd. First, next week at 1 p.m., the EU countries will report the annual results of the Consumer Price Index. These reflect the change in prices for goods and services in the euro area in the reporting month, compared to the same month of the previous year. The index's growth in conditions of insufficient inflation has a positive impact on the euro's quotations. At 17:45, we will see the American results of the Purchasing Managers' Index in the U.S. manufacturing sector from S&P Global. This index is an indicator of changes in business conditions in the state's industrial sector in the reporting month. The growth of industrial PMI favorably characterizes the change in market conditions and may positively affect the dollar's quotes. Tuesday, March 4th. The next day at 6 p.m., the United States will show a report on factory orders in monthly terms. The growth in the number of orders indirectly characterizes consumer demand for industrial goods and allows for the prediction of an increase in industrial activity in the near future. This may favorably affect the dollar's quotations. The number of U.S. labor market openings will be shown next. This is a monthly report of open job openings in the U.S. trade, manufacturing, and office sectors. The calculation includes all vacancies that remain open on the last working day of the month. In general, an increase in the number of job openings has a favorable effect on the dollar. Wednesday, March 5th. At midweek, New Zealand will show the quarterly employment change at 0.45. It reflects the change in the number of officially employed citizens in the New Zealand economy in the reporting quarter relative to the previous quarter. Employment growth indicates the strengthening of the labor market and may positively affect the New Zealand dollar quotes. At 16:15, the U.S. will publish the change in the number of employed in the U.S. non-farm sector from ADP. It reflects the monthly change in the level of employment in the main sectors of the country's economy. When considering the interest rate, the Fed is guided by the strength of the labor market, among other things. Therefore, the growth of the indicator may have a positive impact on the dollar's quotations. Thursday, March 6th. A day later, at 3 p.m., the UK will announce the Bank of England's interest rate decision. It is one of the most important events affecting the pound sterling quotes. Accordingly, each decision on the Bank of England's interest rate directly affects the pound sterling quotes, especially when the rate changes. The decision to raise it will increase the British currency. At 16:30, the United States will show the number of applications for unemployment benefits. The indicator reflects the number of people who first applied to government agencies for unemployment benefits over the past week. Accordingly, an increase in the number of applications for unemployment benefits for several consecutive weeks may negatively affect the quotations of the American dollar. Friday, March 7th. Before the weekend at 16:30, the U.S. will show the change in the number of non-farm payrolls. This indicator reflects the number of new jobs created in the reporting month in all sectors of the U.S. economy, except for the agricultural sector. The growth of the indicator positively affects the dollar's quotes. The release of the U.S. average hourly earnings month to month will follow next. It reflects the change in average hourly wages in most industries, except for the agricultural sector, in the reporting month compared to the previous month. For all the above reasons, the indicator's growth may affect the dollar's quotations.